You're so cute. Somebody's going to fall in love with you. Yeah. There we go. There we go. You're not supposed to eat the flower petals. You're not supposed to eat the flower petals. No, you're not. No, you're not. What, honey? What's the matter, huh? What are you thinking? You want to play with some more? There we go. There we go. Aren't you sweet, huh? This is a sweet girl. Get it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What do you think, baby? Yeah, is it bothering you? I'll move it, my angel. There we go. All girls have to wear bows. Yes, we do, all to be pretty. There we go. I can see your beautiful eyes better now. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Yes, that's a pretty girl. Yes, it is. Yeah, get it off you, baby. I'm sorry. There we go. Just one more picture. Oh, baby. Say hi. You're going to go attack some ferocious flower petals. There's ferocious flower petals, oh no. Okay. We have to say goodbye to our friends.